Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. In the realm of home and garden organization, the quest for the best outdoor storage shed is an endeavor that holds paramount importance. As homeowners, we often find ourselves grappling with the perennial challenge of storing our valued possessions, be it gardening tools, bicycles, lawn equipment, or seasonal decorations, in a secure and accessible manner. This is where the outdoor storage shed emerges as a vital solution, seamlessly blending functionality and aesthetics to meet our storage needs. Choosing the finest outdoor storage shed is a decision that goes beyond mere practicality. On number 5, Kinying Polyethylene Outdoor Storage. The Kinying Polyethylene Outdoor Storage Cabinet is a durable and weather-resistant solution for outdoor storage needs. Made from high-density polyethylene resin, it is UV protected and resistant to peeling, rotting, or rust. The cabinet features twin wall panels for added strength, making it resistant to wind and impacts, making it more durable than single wall panel cabinets. In terms of dimensions, it measures 50 inches in width, 29 inches in depth, and 79.53 inches in height, with an interior capacity of 51.5 cubic feet, providing ample space for household storage. The cabinet can be enhanced with additional Kinying laminate shelves, although these need to be purchased separately. You can choose to add 1 to 4 shelves based on your specific storage requirements. On number 4, Lifetime 60042-7x7 Outdoor. The Lifetime 60042-7x7 Outdoor Storage Shed in Desert Sand is a durable and visually appealing outdoor storage solution. It features a full-length skylight for ample natural lighting, shatterproof polycarbonate windows, screened vents for ventilation, and a set of shelves for organization. The shed is built with sturdy steel-reinforced construction and dual-wall high-density polyethylene, ensuring durability and resistance to weather damage. Its high-pitched roof facilitates rain and snow drainage, and the lockable steel-reinforced doors enhance security. The shed comes with all necessary installation hardware and is delivered in 2 boxes. On number 3, Rubbermaid Resin Weather. The Rubbermaid Resin Weather-Resistant Outdoor Storage Shed in Simple Gray/Onyx is a versatile and durable storage solution for various outdoor needs. It offers substantial storage capacity for items like lawnmowers, garden equipment, patio furniture, and more. The shed is constructed with double-wall resin and an impact-resistant floor, ensuring long-term durability and resistance to rust and rot, unlike traditional metal or wood sheds. Its wide-opening doors provide easy access to stored items. This shed is suitable for homeowners, gardeners, pool owners, and DIY enthusiasts looking to organize and protect their outdoor belongings. It comes with customization options and is covered by a limited warranty. On number 2, Keter Factor 8x6 Large Resin. The Keter Factor 8x6 Large Resin Outdoor Shed is a storage solution for patio furniture, lawnmowers, and bikes. It has a taupe/brown color and received an Amazon rating of 4.1 based on 521 ratings, although 107 reviews were deleted. The adjusted rating is 3.8 from 231 remaining reviews. Some common phrases in the reviews include easy to put together, took 2 of us to put it together, and easy to assemble. There is a significant number of reviews with repetitive phrases, and the average rating for reviews with substantial repetitive phrases is 4.3, while those without such phrases average 3.7, suggesting potential unnatural reviews. On number 1, Suncast 8x10 Heavy Duty. The Suncast 8x10 Heavy Duty Resin Tremont Storage Shed in Sand is a versatile outdoor storage solution for various items, including outdoor equipment, tools, and bicycles. It combines classic design with modern durability, featuring metal-reinforced shingle-style roof panels and multi-walled polypropylene resin panels. The shed offers ample storage space and ensures natural light through strategically placed skylights and windows. It also has lockable doors and a reinforced floor for durability. The shed is suitable for storing electrical equipment, long-handled tools, bicycles, ladders, and more. It provides an elegant and organized storage solution for outdoor spaces. In conclusion, selecting the best outdoor storage shed is a critical decision for homeowners and outdoor enthusiasts alike. A well-chosen shed can enhance the organization and functionality of your outdoor space, protect your valuable belongings from the elements, and add aesthetic value to your property. To make the best choice, consider factors such as size, material, durability, and style, as they will greatly influence the shed's performance and longevity. Furthermore, it's essential to assess your specific storage needs and climate conditions, ensuring that the chosen shed is tailored to meet those requirements. Whether you opt for a traditional wooden shed for its classic charm, a durable metal shed for longevity, so this was the video guys. Do check the link in the description and like to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.